Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display Forminator form submission on front end using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Forminator form plugin and we are going to display form submission on front end. So first we are going to install two plugins. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP data tables. So this is plugin WP data table we will use. So you will install it and activate it, and after activation install another plugin. Now you see WP data table integration for Forminator form. Also install and activate this plugin. So these two plugins we will use. So install both plugins. Now you see active. On left side you see WP data table and then you see create a table, so click on it and then scroll down, you see multiple options and then you see create a table. Now select create a data table linked to an existing data source. Now select and then scroll down, click on next and then scroll down, you see new WP data table. If you want you can add title according to requirement, and if you want you can add description. Now you see input data source type. Now select and then you see multiple options. Now select Forminator form and then you see choose a Forminator form. Now select, so you can select form according to requirement. So we select simple form. So this is our form we created in Forminator form plugin, and then you see choose field to show as column. Now select, you see all fields, so you can select according to requirement. Now you see phone, subject, subject, date, and then you see entry date, ID, and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. On top you see form shortcode, so you can use this shortcode in any page to display submission on front end, and then you see multiple options. So this is our layout, email address, field, phone, subject, message, date, ID. Now scroll up, you see display, so click on it. You see multiple options. Table title, description, responsive, default, row per page 10. You see more options. So you can do setting according to requirement, and then you see sorting and filtering. Now you see enable disable option, table tools, enable table tools, button print, Excel, CSV copy, placeholder. Now click on save changes. Now setting saved. Now copy this. Now go to page, now paste and then click on update. Now form update done. Open this page. Now you see new WP data table, Forminator form display record. You see all record we have. Now you see, so record shown front end, and we are using two plugin with Forminator form plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.